Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So for now we are going to proceed with another activity for the day, which is drafting a detailed column plan. So for this one, we are not going to create or start with a blank work space or drawing space, but instead we're going to use the existing one, which is footing details underscore your full name. Click this activity, then before proceeding, let us click these three dots. Click po yun, then i-click yung share and export, then click save as. Tapos i-click po yung DW 2013 drawing, then palitan po ang pangalan. Instead of drawing details, instead of putting details, change natin yung putting to column, then save. Okay, so next thing that we're going to do is click lahat po yung mga measurement, then delete natin yung mga measurement na yan. Basta lahat ng mga measurement po na nilagay natin for the previous activity. Then okay. Next, we'll proceed with creating the new layer or creating layers. So click format, then layers po. Tapos as you can see, I already created layers na ginamit po natin dun sa previous activity about putting details. So right now, we're going to create new layers, then name it detail column concrete. Then the color of this detail column concrete should be red also. So click red. Then next, we are going to create another one, which is detail column rebar. Then the color for this one, detail column rebar, should be cyan. Okay, so we'll proceed with doing the activity. So click muna natin yung save para if ever there are some instances na biglang mag-out tong natin ginagawa, mababago natin. Next, we're going to offset this box. So sa pag-offset, click itong pen tool, then click offset, then type 700 for the offset distance. Click the box, then click inside. Okay, click check. Next, I'm going to change this box, the layer for this box, into detailed column concrete. Okay. Next, we're going to offset again this box by 30 millimeters. So click offset command, then type 30 for the offset distance. Click the box, click inside the box, then click check. Next, change the layer from detail column concrete into detail column rebar. Okay, then we'll explode this one. Okay, we'll explode this one. How? So click the explode button. Okay, first before exploding this one, we'll create lines first, or offset rather. We'll offset this line. So offset distance should be 16 mm. Then click this one, click inside. Again, click this one, click inside. Okay, then click check. Next, we're to explode those lines. So how are you going to explode those lines? So click explode, then click check. Okay, so let us proceed with creating the new activity for this day. first we're going to extend this 8 centimeter, 8 millimeter rather, upward. So click check. Okay. Same thing with this 8 millimeter going going down, negative 8. Okay, rather 8 rather than negative 8 since we are extending it. Same with the other one, positive 8 going up, then to the other point, positive 8. So that's it. Then we'll proceed with creating or offsetting these lines again. So I'll offset those lines by 16 mm again. 16 mm. Okay, offset this line, offset this line. Click check. Okay, so proceed with the task. First we'll draw a line, a circle rather. So we'll set our current layer into the default, which is yung 0. Yan po. Then click sa current layer, 0. Then we'll draw a line first. Line from this point, first point, up to this point. Okay, and the other side. Check. Then click circle command. Okay. So line again from this point up to the other point or corner. Then click check. Line command again. So to the other side, this point up to this point po. Yan. Then click check again. Line command again. Punta tayo din sa kabila. From this point up to the other point. Then click check. Okay, so for now, we're going to create a circle using center radius. So, click the center of the line. Yon, so may triangle po. Then, the radius should be, specify the radius, the other point. And click check. Click center radius again. So, click the center of the line. The radius should be the other point. Okay, then click check. Center radius again. Click the center of the line. The radius should be the other point. Okay. Click check again. Then center radius again. So, click the center of the line. The radius should be the other point. Okay. Click check. Next, we're going to close or tulak rather itong layer na to, yung 0 po, layer 0, so that we cannot change or modify these lines at any point. Or first we'll erase muna itong mga lines na ginawa natin, not the circle, yung lines lang po in the middle of those circle. Okay, then that's the time that we're going to lock it, yung layer 0. So lock siya, hindi na siya much change. Next, we are going to draw a circle. So okay, so we're going to draw a circle. Set the current layer into detail column rebar. So, set natin siya doon. Detail column rebar. Then, draw a circle again using center radius command. So, hanapin ang gitna po ng circle na ito. Then, the radius, hatakin lang papunta dun sa kabilang kanto. Then, yun na po siya. Click. Then, center radius po ulit. Ayan. Hatakin. Hanapin ang gitna. Tapos, hatakin. Papunta dun. Next, center radius again. Hanapin po yung center ng circle. Then, hatakin papunta po dito sa kabila. Okay. Click check. Then, center radius again. Hanapin ang center of the circle. Tapos, hatakin po papunta dito sa opposite side. Center radius again. Yan. Ito, hanapin ang center of the circle. Hatakin po papunta dito. Then, click check again. Center radius po ulit. Hanapin yung center of the circle. Hatakin papunta dun sa kabilang side. Yan. Then, center radius po ulit. Yan. Para dire-diretso tayo. Hanapin ang center. Hatakin papunta sa maliit na side. Then, click check. Center radius again. From here. Hatakin po papunta dun sa kabilang kanto. Okay. So, click check. Then, that's it. So, pwede na tayong mag-trim po. Mag-start mag-trim. So, in trimming, ito ang gagawin natin. Click yung modify, then trim. Trim, trim. So, again, we are trimming. So, nagtitrim po tayo guys ha. Trim. We are using the trim command. Okay. Next. Trim din natin to. Trim din po natin to dito. Okay. May nabura na line. Mamaya natin ayusin yon. Bah. So, we'll adjust those lines later. So, for now, we'll just erase those that should be erased or deleted. Ayan. There are certain cases kasi na hindi po datin na rather nagkakamali tayo nung nadidelete po. Ayan. Okay. Then last one should be this area. So trim. Okay, back. Okay. So trim this one. Then we should also trim this one. other side. Let us trim this also. Then also this one. Okay? So let's proceed with the next step. Okay? Let us adjust this one. How about this one? We're going to trim it. Use trim. Okay? To the other side, we'll also adjust this up to this point. Okay? So, click trim. Then this one, going to extend it. And we are to okay, let us type at least 20 mm. Then let us duplicate this one. Second point should be 16 mm downward. Then the angle should be negative 90 and enter. Okay, click check. Next, we have a line here. Okay. So click check again. We have a line here, so we're going to move it. Second point should be 20 mm. Then the angle should be negative 90, so downward. Then okay, click check. Next, we'll extend it until it reach the point here at below line. Yan po. So, binababa natin siya. Then, okay. Next, tsaka tayo mag-trim. Doon pa lang tayo mag-trim po, ha. But first, draw muna tayo ng line dito. From this point po, up to this point. Next. Then, draw an arc. So, arc, start and radius. Okay. So, start point should be here. End point should be here. Then, the radius should be here. Okay. Again, start point should be here. End point of the arc should be here. Then the radius should be okay. Click check. Click trim. Delete this line, the success lines. Click trim to delete those lines. Okay, next. Ito naman tayo. Medyo hindi siya nagbabago. So, ito na lang. Hatakin na lang po natin to papunta doon sa quadrant. No, yan. Hatakin natin siya papunta dito sa may quadrant. Click check. Okay. The same thing with this one. Hatak na lang papunta po doon sa quadrant. Nagiging diamond yung itsura pagka dumarating sa quadrant. Same with this one, hatakin papunta dun sa quadrant. Yan po. So, click check. Mamaya tayo mag-erase pagka nakompleto na po yung paghatak. Okay, this one also, adjust papunta po dun sa may quadrant. Then click check. Also with this other line, hatakin papunta sa quadrant. Yan. Confirm. Ito, hatakin papunta po doon. Then confirm. Same with the other line here above. Okay, wala nang problema dun sa taas. So, let us trim. Use trim command. Yan po. So, as you can see, we can already delete yung mga lines na excess dahil kanina in-adjust na po natin siya. Okay, may sumobra. Hindi tumama. Okay. Okay, so ito na lang. Hatakin ko na lang po to papunta dito sa point na ito. Okay. To change. And then, trim natin yung isa. So, hindi na ayos. Back na lang. Yan na lang din. Same thing. Same procedure rather. Hahatakin ko na lang po ito. Okay, so I think I will hide muna yung isang layer. So, when we click this one, ma-hide siya. Yun. Para lang hindi po magagalaw yung layer na yan. So, hatak, papunta doon. Yan, then click check. Okay, undo. Okay. So, that's it. Nabago natin siya. Pakita na natin yung ginawa, yung kanina na ini-hide natin na layer. So, pakita natin siya. Yun. So, yan po yung mga gagawa natin ng yan po yung location nila. Rather. So, next. Tapos na po ba? Hindi pa. Lalagyan pa natin ito ng mga rebars dito sa mga kanto po. So, to locate yung rebars, gamitin natin na layer po muna rather is this one. So, set as current layer. Okay, click. Then, we'll create lines muna. So, lines, click line command. Then, hanapin yung center po ng mga lines dito. Ito. For example, this one. Where's the center of this line? Ayun. Tapos, going downward, type natin ay 8. So, for the line again, okay, I think magkakaroon tayo ng problema with that one. So, first, So, line muna. Line command. Then, locate natin yung center of the line dito. Saan yung center nito? Ito po, yun. First point, nasaan ang center? Yun. Second point would be type 24 po. 16 plus 8 is equals to 24. So, 24. Then, click check. Check. Line command again. Mula po dito sa center nito, nasa ng center, iyon. Tapos ang second point natin would be 24. Okay. Check. Check. Then line command again. Center of this line. Ayan po, hanapin ang center of this line. Ayun. First point, then hatak pataas. Type 24. Then, okay. Then, line command again. Center of this line, nasan po? Ayun. First point. Then, second point would be 24 mm. Check. Then, circle command. Tapos, radius. Center radius po. Ang gagamitin natin center is this line. Ayan po. Center point. Then, ang radius niya ay ito. Ayan. Click check. Center radius again. Hanapin po yung nasa taas. Click yung this one as the center of the point or circle. And then, yung radius po niya ay ito. Ayan. Click check. Center radius again. Palitin. Then, punta dito sa kabila. Hanapin po yung center of this line. Ayun. Then, center radius again. Okay. Click check. Then, center radius again po. Punta dito sa baba. Hanapin po yung etong dulo. Yun yung center of ano. Ang radius natin ay yung kabilang point. Then, okay. I think that would be the precise one. Okay, next. We'll extend these lines po. Yan, yung mga maliliit na yan. So, paano extend? So, nakalak. E di, unlock natin. Okay, format po, layers. Unlock lang natin to. So, para na-edit siya. Extend natin. Again, extend po natin with 0. Let us try to extend it by 30. So, 100. Try natin. 100 mm po. Ang layo. I think maliit pa siya. So, dagdagan natin ng 50. Type 50. Okay. I think this one is already okay. So, extend natin yan. Again, this one also, this line, extend natin by 50. 150 rather. So, type 150 outside the line. Check. Then, this line also. Okay. This line, extend po natin ng 150 palabas. Okay. Same with this one. $150. Okay. Okay. So, next, we have to draw a line again. So, coming from here naman, yan po, first point, papunta po doon sa may 100 po. So, 100. Okay, back po. Then, baguhin ang angle of inclination. So, gawing 135 degree. Tama ba? Okay, I think hindi tumama. Baguhin natin kasi hindi napindot yung ano kanina. So, line again. Line command. Use this point as the first point. Then, line command 100. Tapos, ito po ay 135. Okay. Next, line command again po. Mula po dito sa kanto, second point natin ay 100. Tapos ito 100 po. Then ito naman dapat baguhin po ito, gawing 45. So that would be the line. Then line command again. Yan, first point, extend downward, going down. 100 again. Tapos ito po, change to negative 45 degree. Then enter, click check, check. Line command again. Click this point as the first point. Then hatak po. 100. Tapos for the angle, okay, 100. For the angle, change po, negative 135. Then enter. Then click check. Okay. So that's it. Then go back. Click natin yung rebar. Ito po, rebar. Set the current layer to detail column rebar. Then proceed with this one. Create a line. So create a line. Line command. First point should be here. This one. Or rather, instead of creating a line, let us use offset. It is better to use offset. First, let us change this or adjust this one, those lines rather. Okay, so instead of creating lines, drawing lines rather, I'm going to use offset command. Offset, then the offset distance should be 8. Select object to offset, outside. Then click object, outside. Same with here, click this object, left, right. Click this object left, then click right. This object left, then click right. Object up, then down, then right, then left. Okay, so next thing that we're going to do is, of course, we'll delete the center line. Okay, we have forgotten the top line. Next, offset. I'll use offset again. Okay, I'll change those lines, those points. I'll change the layer of these lines into column rebar layers. So change it, properties, then layer, choose detail column rebar. Okay, so next thing is we'll draw a line connecting these two points. First point here, then second point should be at the other one, then click check. Okay, line again, line command. First point should be the top one, second point should be the other one below. Click check, then line command again. First point, second point is the other one. Line command. First point, second point is the other one. Check. Then line command again. First point, second point should be the other one. Do the same procedures on the others. First point, second point. Okay, check. Then adjust this so that it will touch. Okay, the other point here, change. Then lastly, this side of the drawing. Okay, click save for this one. Then this is our plan view of the column plan. What's the other, sir? So it is not yet done, so we need to write down text for this activity. So we used to change the layer. We need to change the layer to text. Okay, set current for the text. Then for the text, we need to use linear. First extension point should be here. Second extension point, okay. Linear again. First extension point, do again. Linear. Second extension point should be on the other side. Then pull down this line. Okay, so pull it. And click enter. Next, we're going to change the properties for this one, or the line, the arrows. Use oblique for the arrows. The arrow should be 100. Let us try to use 100. Okay, it's too big, so let us try to use 50 for the arrows. Okay, it's good. Then properties again, let's go with extension line. So let us insert 50. Okay, offset for the extension line again. Offset, it should be 50. Okay, then for the last one, let us change the text height, change it to 50. Okay, it's too big, so I'll change it instead into 30. Okay, that one is good. Text offset should be 20. Okay, I think that is already good. So how to change? We need to adjust it to that part. Next, same thing. Dim line, linear. Then the other side should be this one. Next, we need to pull this one. Again, text offset should be 20. Text height should be 30. Then should be 50. The arrows should be 50 in size. then oblique, oblique, that's okay. Next one, everlasting Father, judge how heaven beneath under the sky, Okay, so this will be the plan view of our um, column details. So next one is we'll proceed with the section view of our column details. So we're going to use this one for the section view. First, we'll move this. We'll move this one to okay, and let us move this one. Okay, so we'll move this one here. Okay, so this one is the column plan view. We're going to proceed with the column view. So for the column view, these are the procedures. First, we need to create lines. So set the current layer to 0. Then from this point, let us draw a line going upward. So line going upward again. Change it to 0 or 90 rather. Then change the height into type 1400. Okay, confirm. Then let us try to say that there is a 950. Then draw a line again from this point going upward by 1400 mm. Then next point should be here, going here with 950 measurement. Okay, click. Okay, what does it mean? So it means that the column or and footing was installed deep in the ground level. So that's the meaning of this one. Okay, again we'll move this. Second point should be here. I think this is enough. Okay, next we're going to locate the center for this line. So we're going to locate the center, then we'll create a column. We're going to create a column for this one. Okay, first let us change this. Let us put a 150, negative 150. Same with this line, we need to move it negative 150 below. Okay, then we'll Again, draw a line. Oh, okay. Rather than drawing, I'll go for offset. Offset to 150. Okay. Click this one. Then click this one. Going down. Okay. So let's proceed. Next thing we are going to do is to create a line from this point going up. Let us type 2000.
Halika na na.
Okay. Ano natin? Okay, next. From this point up to this point, we're going to create explode this one. So let's click pen tool, explode. Click this. Okay. Okay. 8 rather. 8. Okay. This is the center line. Next. Going to copy this one.